everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a Shein gift card. Shein Gift Card offers amazing discounts, a convenient and cool present. You'll be able to purchase the gift card very easily if you already have a Shein account. If you're watching us for the first time, before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to buy a Shein gift card, tap open your Shein application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, you'll be able to see an option where it says gift card at the top of the screen. Simply tap on the gift card option, and now you can go ahead and choose one of the gift cards that you'd like to buy from the design tab. Once you choose the design for your card, go ahead and select the amount that you want in your gift card. You can pick from the options displayed on the screen. Once you do that, go to the two text box at the bottom and enter the recipient's email address that you are trying to send the gift card to. Once you do that, you can go ahead and enter your name into the from text field. If you have a message that you'd like to add, simply type in the message in the text box for the recipient. Now, once you're done typing in your message, you can press the circle right here at the bottom where it says, "By placing this order, I agree that I have read and understood the terms and conditions." Tap on checkout after you are done. Go ahead and enter your shipping address in the text boxes. Type in all the information that it asks of you, and after you're done, tap on the save button at the bottom. Once you're done, go ahead and select your payment method. You can either use the credit or debit card option, or you can simply choose the PayPal option to make your payment. Finally, after you're done and you'd like to order, tap on place order at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to buy gift card on Shein. When you place an order, it will take a while to ensure your payment method is safe and secure for Shein, so the verification process will be estimated to take 1 to 7 business days, and the balance in your gift card may be used to Shein to purchase products and services as well. That is how you can easily buy a gift card on Shein. You can gift it to one of your friends or family as well. I hope you found the video to be helpful. That is how you can easily buy and send Shein gift card to your friends and your families. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it did help you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.